Welcome to another edition of the PE Alliance's Field Series, where today we're looking at the city of Austin, Minnesota, where they've elected to use polyethylene for all of their new pipe installations and all their rehabs. Let's take a look.
Well, we use polyethylene in the city because it's a maintenance-free product. It's easy to install, the fusions are quick, it's something we don't have to worry about once we put it in the ground. As you would with ductile or cast iron pipe that we've used in the past. In the time that I've been here, 18 years, when I started here, we were having anywhere from 40 to 50 plus main breaks on ductile iron pipe. And now it's down to, I think last year we had around 18. And that's because of all the PE that we're putting into the ground, water pipe. So it's gone down drastically. So, I mean, that's our goal, is to eventually all be PE.
So at Austin Utilities, we were able to spend the day today and see a number of different installations in terms of both a service and a main. So on the main installation side, we were able to see the use of high-density polyethylene being tied into an existing valve that was just installed a couple days prior. And there they used a mechanical joint adapter, a very simple and fully restrained connection into a valve. Same way we'd make a connection to a hydrant. We also saw a service line installation and replacement where they used a tapping tee to tap into the main. So I think the city recognized initially the advantages and the reasons why they used it in gas distribution in terms of using polyethylene was because it's zero leak and it's corrosion free. Once they started to use it more in the water distribution, they found other advantages that came along with that. One of the advantages being better water quality, lower frequency of water main breaks, in addition to just the pride of knowing that they're using the latest technology for their community.
Austin Utilities has decided at the same time that they're doing street improvements to replace the existing water main, abandon the ductile and cast iron, and replace it with HDPE pipe. When they do this, they eliminate future maintenance costs and hopefully have one construction cycle for water main for years into the future. Today, Austin Utilities connected two 6-inch HDPE pipes to a valve they installed. They used MJ adapters to bolt it together. It's just as easy as putting in cast iron or PVC iron to a valve. You just bolt it right up.
One of the things we have learned is by doing this new HDPE, it has allowed us to spend more time with our own crews installing the new mains, where before we would have to have crews out fixing our old stuff, and we had to hire contractors to come in and install our new water mains. This has allowed us to now have our own guys working on our own facility, knowing that we are taking the pride in doing our own work versus hiring out a contractor that we have to pay more money to have the work done, and we are being able to do it in-house with our own employees. Well, what we do here is unique from a lot of public utility companies. There's not a lot of them running HDPE. And in fact, there's a lot of them that don't even do their own work. A lot of them hire contractors to do their work. And that's one of the things we do here, is we take pride in what we're putting in the ground. You go home at the end of the day knowing that you're providing for your community something that is going to last long term. It's not just something that's going to last for the next 20 years till they rip the road up again and you put the next thing in. This HDPE is going to last for a long time. With the HDPE, we have this in our system now. That's the only thing we install. And one of the reasons it's the only thing we install is when you ever have to come back to do something, you know what you're going to need for a part. It's not, you're going to have to dig it up and see what it is, and it could be you have to carry 6 different things on your truck. We're able to just have HDPE stuff on our truck. Whatever we fix, whether it's a copper line in the ground, a steel line, a lead line, we're going to replace it with HDPE. We have the parts, we know what we need. We don't have to be running back to the shop to get things. Everything's on the truck, and we're going to install the new HDPE and we're going to be done with it. We don't have to come back, patchwork year after year. It's done, it's over with, we're not going to see it again.